Ready?
Go Melo!
Ayan, kompleto. Racers, are you ready? Parents walang papasok. Meron pa po, ayan po, meron pa po. Music please. Girls, get ready, girls. Are you ready? Oh, mukhang okay na kayo. Hello, hello. Ayan.
Shotty! Go Melo!
Ayan, okay na. Second batch. Race position, music please. Go! 5 years old, get ready, 5 years old. 567, mag-check na po. 419. Tapos pakisabit na din po yung finisher medal po na binigay sa parents ko. Okay po? 6th place, Haya Pag... Number 50.
Yay! Let's go. We're done.
Next place po, next place to Tito Vince. Then special thanks to all who joined.